Annyeong! Akala ng iba, Dubai is all about luxury, pero alam mo ba na may libre din dito? Welcome to Kite Beach, one of Dubai's most generous gifts to everyone. Today is weekend at dahil Mudra Bells is back, mandatory na ulit ang pagbisita kay Kite Beach. One of the perks in living in Dubai is that hindi mo na kailangan gumasa sa malaki para ma-experience ang best of Dubai. Dito malaya ka maglakad, mag-relax at i-enjoy ang buhay, walang entrance fee, walang hassle. We always think that luxury is expensive, but here in Dubai, some of the best experiences are absolutely free, which made me realize that those who are truly rich are generous. At ang cute ito, pinapakita niya yung speed ng mga nagbabike. Dito kasi ako sa may biking area naglalakad. Marami talagang pwedeng gawing activities dito eh. Ito naman yung virtual Arab view, Dubai's iconic 7-star hotel. Pero sila Mudra Bells, ang favorite nilang gawin dito syempre ang mag-swimming. Kahit na malamig katulad ngayon, 20 degrees, walang mag-aawat, walang makakaawat sa kanila. Isa kasi talagang sirena si Mudra Bells, galing siyang Mindanao, laking dagat. At dahil nga Shokoy at Sirena ang kasama ko, kahit malamig, nagbitbit na lang ako ng mga jacket na pinaghuhubad nila. Driver na, taga-bitbit pa. Pero syempre, these are the memories we will treasure forever.
Maliligo na sila. Ganyan sila dress up.
Siya, ayun na muna for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!